How to add YouTube end screens on PC. Adding end screens to your YouTube videos is a great way to keep viewers engaged, promote other content, and increase your channel's watch time. If you're looking to add end screens on your PC, here's a step-by-step guide to help you do it effectively. First, log into your YouTube account and navigate to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, find the video you want to add an end screen to by clicking on Content from the left-hand menu. This will show you a list of all your uploaded videos. Click on the video you want to edit. This will open the Video Details page, where you can see various editing options. Look for the End Screen option, which is usually located in the left-hand menu or towards the bottom of the page, depending on your layout. Click on it to open the End Screen Editor. In the End Screen Editor, you'll see your video timeline with an option to add elements. Elements are the components of your end screen, such as video links, playlists, subscribe buttons, or external links, if you're part of the YouTube Partner Program. Click Add Element and choose the type of element you want to add. You can add up to 4 elements to your end screen, depending on your video's length and your preferences. Once you've added your elements, you can adjust their placement on the screen by dragging them to your desired location. You can also customize when each element appears by adjusting the timing on the timeline below the video preview. Make sure that your elements are spaced out well and that they don't overlap, ensuring a clean and professional look. After positioning and timing your end screen elements, click Save to apply your changes. It's a good idea to preview the end screen before finalizing to make sure everything looks the way you want. By following these steps, you can easily add end screens to your YouTube videos on your PC, helping you boost engagement and guide your viewers to more of your content.